What's good YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another video for you guys. Over the last couple of years, Sacai and Nike have had one of the best collabing partnerships, giving us modern takes on some classic silhouettes. One of those silhouettes, and in my opinion the best one yet, has been the Sacai and Nike Vaporwaffles, a beast of a sneaker with 4 midsoles. And in this video I'll be talking about perhaps the cleanest colorway yet. I will be reviewing the Nike Sacai Vaporwaffle in the sail gum colorway. So what's good guys, all my long-term viewers, welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here, my name is Josh. I do sneaker reviews, all types of other sneaker content. Come for the sneakers, stay for the chill vibes. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also while you're at it, make sure you give me a follow on these platforms as well. So in this video, I'll be telling you everything you need to know about this latest colorway of the Sacai Vaporwaffles. Is this the best colorway yet? How do these fit? We'll look at what these are going for right now on the resale market. And as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So there you go, it's not a myth, it finally released, the sail and gum colorway. This sneaker was supposed to release last year, actually in April, but for some reason it has been delayed. We get them now finally almost a year later. It also released alongside this black and gum colorway, and if you like that stealthy ninja look, then that colorway is definitely for you. This pair, however, I don't think there's been a cleaner pair of Sacais that have released so far. Maybe that white nylon LD waffle from a couple of years ago, but besides that, this is about as clean as it gets. You got hits of white on the shoe on the nylon portions. You also see white on the tongue of the sneaker as well as the laces. You get these nice subtle hits of sail on the swoosh as well as the midsole. And also the leather panels at the back of the sneaker done once again in that sail color. And finally, to round it all off, we get perhaps the most perfect outsole, this gum outsole. It looks really good with this colorway. Let me know down in the comments, where does this colorway rank with all of the Sacai Vaporwaffles? My personal ranking, I still like the black pair you see back here. That's probably my favorite yet, but this one, pretty close second. Now in the past, I've said my biggest complaint about not only the Vaporwaffles, also the LD waffles, has been those mesh uppers that we see on most of these pairs. It's just not a very strong material, and it made me question why these shoes had such a high retail price. That mesh really felt like a material that could be torn really easily, which is why I prefer this nylon material on the upper. It's much more of a durable material and just kind of gives the shoe much more of a premium feel. The quality on this pair is quite good. You get these nice suede panels at the front done in that sail color, which feels like some pretty nice suede, and also the leather you see on the tongue as well on the back panel. Can't complain about it, some nice soft leather. Definitely the craziest part about the Vaporwaffles is this midsole, or can we say midsoles, because there are 4 of them. Definitely gives you that Balenciaga triple S type of feel. I get that this sneaker is not for everyone, but this silhouette in my opinion is one of the most high fashion type of silhouettes that Nike has produced in the last couple of years. And now that I think about it, I think it might actually be my favorite new silhouette period that Nike has made in the last 2 years. I still think the back of the sneaker looks pretty funny. Kind of looks like that girl from Euphoria. As with all the Sacai models, you get double of everything. You get double laces, you get cotton laces, and also these ribbon laces. Both of them done in white, but just in case you need some extra laces, you also get this pair of rope style white laces, which personally I think is a better option on these. These ribbon laces tend to get loose quite easily, making it pretty annoying, so I would rather put these rope ones. You also get that signature double tongue look, which we have seen now Nike adopt on some newer silhouettes. And of course the swoosh as well, although it is a bit difficult to see on this colorway, you do get a second swoosh which is painted underneath that leather swoosh. Yeah, these are fire, no other way to describe it. Getting into sizing, so you might have noticed this shoe does look a bit small in my hand. That's because I did get it in base size. My girlfriend actually hit on a raffle for this in her size, but I have of course worn this silhouette in the past, and I can tell you that it is definitely true to size. So go with the same size you wear in a Jordan 1 or a Nike Dunk, and a half size higher than your Air Force Ones. Looking at resale prices on these, oh my god, the resale is kind of nuts on this pair. Just look at those base sizes. Those are crazy high, especially for a sneaker that has been out for almost 2 years now. If there's one thing that every Sacai sneaker has taught us in the past, it's that these definitely tend to go up in price. They might look high right now, but they're likely going to get even higher. So I would suggest if you are on the fence wondering whether or not you want these, now would be probably your best time to cop. Overall, the Sacai Vaporwaffle in this sail and gum colorway, are these a cop or a drop? Yes, while I do think the resale prices are pretty high right now, I'm not gonna lie, I still think this sneaker, instead of getting 2 or 3 different pairs of Dunks or yet another Jordan 1, if you don't already own some Sacais, then this one, this colorway, this ultra clean looking colorway, I still think they're kind of worth it. If I didn't already own this black pair, I'd probably even try to get this in my size. It's a nylon pair, you get great quality, and like I said, colorway super fire, especially for the upcoming summer months. So these definitely get a cop. If you found this video useful at all and you want to see more content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn those notifications on, and of course the very best way to contact me, and I'm dropping a ton of content on here, is IG. And for even more sneaker content, make sure you listen to the podcast, which is available on Apple Music and Spotify. Links are in the description. The on feet about to drop right now. If you made it to the end of the video, give me a what up JD, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.